Hi, it's Amy Pittman here at Pittman Law Office, and I just wanted to go over about the changes that happen in your life that could change your estate plan. So a lot of times clients will come in and, they'll have a consultation with an attorney. We prepare their estate plan, whether that could be a will, trust, we're talking about beneficiary designations. And of course, that has a lot to do with what's going on in your life at that time. Your family dynamics will play a role, the type of assets you have, are you still working, are you retired? So life changes, things happen that could impact your estate plan and you may not realize it. So we do want to make sure that you are looking at your estate plan. Now, if you're not a client of ours, and you're just watching these videos, pull out your will, your trust, your power of attorney, look at who you've named in those documents as far as the person in charge. The person in charge of your will is called a personal representative. The person in charge of your trust, if you're incapacitated or deceased, is called your successor trustee, and then your power of attorney agent. See if that's the same person you would want having the ability to act now if something happens. A lot of times, based on a move or aging, you'll realize maybe that's not the right person you want. So look at those documents to see if those are still current to your situation. Because if you did your estate plan, your will, and your trust 10 years ago, it's probably not current to your situation, especially when you remember that we have to have beneficiary designations. So did you update your beneficiaries if someone's passed away? Or if you're not close to that individual anymore, if you have a revocable trust, have you been funding your trust properly? So we don't want to say, oh, we went to the estate planning attorney, check, did it, don't need to look at it again. That's not good. We tell our clients to review their estate plan every 3 to 5 years. It doesn't mean they have to come back in and see us, but we want to make sure that they're looking at their beneficiary designations, they're looking at who they've named in these really important roles that these people are going to be in charge if you're incapacitated or deceased. So don't think you've done one time estate plan and it's done. Things change, life happens, people will move, people pass away that you may have named, and also the relationships change. So please review your estate plan, and if you're a client of ours and you have questions, feel free to shoot us an email. All of our cards are in our folders. If you're a new potential client and you're interested in an estate plan, call our office. Have a good one.